If I had to describe my experience with ShopRedBag in just one word, it would be delightful. But honestly, one word could never capture how thrilled I am with the entire shopping journey from start to finish. Right from the moment I clicked onto the ShopRedBag website, I felt like I had stepped into a virtual boutique dedicated to stylish bags that perfectly match everyday fashion and modern lifestyle needs. The way the product images are showcased, the detailed descriptions, and the clear pricing instantly gave me confidence that I was choosing something special. Browsing felt effortless and exciting, almost like discovering hidden gems one after another. And every bag had a personality of its own, from bold reds to classic neutrals and trendy designs that look straight from a high-end catalog. What truly impressed me even before my purchase was the sense of care put into the entire shopping experience. The ordering process was smooth, and I could easily track every step. When my package arrived, the anticipation was already high, but the unboxing experience took it to a whole new level. The bag was wrapped so thoughtfully and arrived in perfect condition, giving the impression that the team behind ShopRedBag truly values not just their products but the people who buy them. The quality absolutely exceeded my expectations. The material felt sturdy and luxurious to the touch. The stitching was neat and strong, and every detail from the zippers to the straps showed a level of craftsmanship that made the bag feel far more premium than the price I paid. Using the bag in my everyday routine has been such a joy. It manages to hold everything I need while still keeping a sleek and fashionable look, and I've already gotten so many compliments from friends and even strangers asking where I found such a stylish piece. I love how versatile it is. Perfect for casual outings, office days, or even travel, and it adds a confident pop of style to every outfit. Knowing that I got something that looks beautiful, works practically, and feels durable is incredibly satisfying. It's rare to find a store that combines fashion, functionality, affordability, and a feel-good shopping experience all at once. But ShopRedBag has truly delivered on every level. What stands out the most is how much happier I feel every time I choose this bag. It's not just another purchase, but something that brings a small spark of joy whenever I carry it. I can confidently say that ShopRedBag has earned my trust and admiration, and I'm already planning my next purchase because I know I'll be just as thrilled again. I would highly recommend ShopRedBag to anyone who wants a stylish, high-quality accessory that elevates their everyday life while making them feel fabulous every time they step out. From product quality to presentation to the overall experience, everything has been nothing short of amazing, and I genuinely feel like I've discovered a new favorite store for beautiful, trendy bags that stand out for all the right reasons.